Alright guys, I know I haven't posted anything in a while. Just got to the house. I pulled in, and I don't know if you can see him now. You can kinda, let's see if I can zoom it in. That little black and white thing right there, that's a rabbit's head in the corner right there, see it? He's just chasing a cat out of my yard. There's another little bunny rabbit. That white spot right there under the truck tire. Under the truck right there, that's a rabbit too. They're chasing cats. I don't know, normally the cats have kittens underneath. There's a big, oh shit, I guess we'll just get off and I'll show you this. Let's see if the cat's still here. I don't know whose cat it was. The rabbit scared it off though. Oh, there goes the rabbit. There's one bunny. Oh, there goes cat. Two cats. Oh, where'd they go? There's two cats, a white one and a gray one. My neighbor's cats. Yeah, I got lots of stuff cleaned up. Getting all this stuff cleaned up. There's all crap out of the house. Yeah, that pile there, there's always cats in there. I know my yard's kind of a mess. But I figured I haven't had a video in a little bit. I should probably get one out there for you. Just been busy. Sick. Dealing with a sick kid. Just all kinds of fun. Fall here in Michigan, and it is not fun because I don't like the cold. I'm a summer guy, warmth guy. At least it's not too cold today. So you guys see Miss Red there. She did not successfully hatch out any eggs. They were all duds. We checked them all out the other day. Hi Tommy. Tommy Turkey and Red. Yeah. There's those guys. We've got the three amigos, the three stooges as I call them, little jerk faces. We got the guineas. I put the baby guineas in here, but I don't know what happened. Our male ended up dead a couple days later, so I don't know if the females all ganged up on him and killed him or what, but they didn't bother the females, so. There's King, Prince, King, whatever I call him today. The peacock. There he is. And I'm pretty sure, I guess, oh, kick me. Hi, girls. What in the world? Guys got some new feathers coming on your heads, huh? I'm pulling them out. He looks like he's got bad dandruff or something, but it's just the fuzz. I'm pretty sure our little boy is a little girl. Looks like a girl to me. I don't think he's gonna, I think he's gonna be a little female. So, our baby is not a boy. I believe he is a girl. So, she, Hercules, is no more Hercules. We gotta come up with a different name for him now, because he is a she. But that's Hercules right there in the center, the baby. Hey guys. I guess I'm on my screen or something. Yeah, is that better? A little bit better. What the heck? Oh. Well, that's what it looks like when I'm driving down the road. Those lights come through the holes there. Oh, you guys. Got some wood chips now. You guys got them all spread out. Alright, hold on. Oh. We'll go around. Check on the pigeons. And Bubbles and her boyfriend. See what they're up to. Oh, yeah. My neighbor cut his garden down and didn't throw it all in my yard for once. What a good guy. Finally, I don't have to clean a bunch of rotten tomatoes out of my yard today. That's nice. It's a plus. So guys, I went through and I popped up all this so that way the birds get a little heat. As it was getting cold, I don't want them to get cold. There's too much wind in there, so. Hey birdie birds. I come in and feed everybody here in a few minutes. But... Hi guys. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Hi, gorgeous. Hi, good girl. Oh, what you doing? What are you doing? Hey, clip your feathers on your feet so you can get around a little better. Good morning, everybody. What you guys doing? All hiding? Is everybody hiding? Huh? What you guys all doing in here? Aw. Uh-oh. What happened? That's not good. One of you guys is dead. Huh. I'll take care of that. That's not good. Dang it. I wonder what happened. Something grabbed him. Huh. I don't know. Well, that sucks. Always something. Alright, clean up that guy. That's no good. I don't know what happened. I haven't been up here the last couple days. The kid and my dad have been taking care of them. It seems like every time those guys take care of the animals, I end up with dead ones. I don't know if they're just not feeding them the right stuff, or not feeding them. I don't know what the heck's going on. I have to start doing it myself all the time, I guess. If you want it done right, do it your dang self. That's what my grandpa always told me. And the older I get, the more I realize he was definitely a very smart man. Nobody's gonna do like you. I guess I will call that the end of our video, I guess, for now. Yeah, I'll get you guys another update. I don't know, sometime soon. I know my videos have been not too many of them lately, but I've just been trying to get everything done before winter, man. I got tons of stuff to get done for the snow flies, so just trying to get stuff done. Alright, you see the mess? I gotta clean all this stuff up. The whole yard needs to be cleaned. All that wood there, like I got piles of wood everywhere. I got dang barn needs to be cleaned up. I got stuff everywhere. Oh yeah. But alright. Till next time, guys. Later.